Hello, my yarny friends. How are you all doing today? Today we are here to announce the winner of my sock yarn giveaway. First off, I want to welcome all my new subscribers. Thank you so much for joining me. And to anybody who's new here and watching for the first time, don't forget to hit the bell icon twice so that you, every time I put a video out or I go live, you can come and join us. So we're here to pick the winner for September's giveaway, sock yarn giveaway, and it's a bit special this month because it's my birthday month. Actual fact, it's my birthday week on Sunday. I'm recording this on the Saturday. So this is called Lemon Drizzle Merino Sock Yarn, and it's by Adventures in Yarncraft. Really nice. And you also get, whoops, you get tapestry needles, you get Be Kind, which is my motto, my saying, 2.5mm 9-inch circular needle, and some stitch markers. So thank you to everybody who wished me happy birthday. I really do appreciate it. And we'll go over to the computer and pick one lucky winner to win this beautiful yarn. From the video, the sock yarn giveaway video, I've copied the URL, which you can see here. I'm going to go across to YouTube Random Comment Picker and drop the link for the video. Then I'm going to filter for comments, filter for duplicate users. I'm going to do the sum, solve the sum, and then let's get how many comments we've got. We've got 133. Can you see? 133. Thank you ever so much, everybody. And I want to wish each and every one of you good luck. Joanne Cook, thank you for your kindness. Happy birthday. Well, thank you. And thank you. You are our winner. Congratulations, Joanne. So congratulations, Joanne Cook. You have got 7 days to contact me to claim your prize. And you need to email me at this address. If I don't hear from you within 7 days, then I will pick a new winner. So I want to thank each and every one of you for joining in my sock yarn giveaway. I've still got the September yarn giveaway going, and the winner will be picked for that and announced on my actual birthday, which is 24th September. But welcome and thank you. Congratulations once again to Joanne. Thank you to everybody who took part. Welcome to all my new subscribers, and don't forget the thumbs up. And I hope you all have a fabulous day, week, and the rest of September. Until the next video, everybody, take care, stay safe, but more importantly, guys, as I always say, be kind to you, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.